Hello students, this is Usha, your computer teacher. Previous session we learned about some basic tags. In this session also we are going to continue the basic tags. Now we are going to type one sample program in text editor. First go and type select any text editor like Notepad. Start typing the program. Right. First select the text editor, start typing. With that head tag HTML. HTML is the first tag. You should start the program with HTML tag. HTML tag, then inside the HTML tag head tag. Head tag have the title tag. Title tag, if you want to give the title for your program, you can give the title. Right now I will give the title of background. Now in this session we are going to learn about some BG colors, font tags. We are going to learn about font BG color like that. That's why I gave the title background. It is a container tag, so you should close the title tag immediately. Then we are going to close the head tag. After that, very important, that is body tag. When we are going to type content inside the body tag, what you are typing inside the body tag, that will your display in the web page. That will be your display in your web page. Here I will give some attributes. What is attributes? The attributes give some extra decorative to that tag. If body tag, we can give the background color, BG color. That is a attribute of body tag. BG color equal to, you should give the value inside the quotation mark, red. Body BG color equal to red. Then close the tag. You can give some more attributes also inside the body tag. Then paragraph tag. Paragraph tag I will give now center. You can give the center tag separately also. If you give the separate center tag, previous sample program we saw that center tag. So if you give the center tag, it will give only that text, not in the whole paragraph. Right? If you give inside the attribute of paragraph tag, it will apply to the whole paragraph. Then we can type the content. Now I will go fix the font. Font size we can give, font style we can give, that is bold, italic. Font face, that is Arial black, Arial, Times New Roman, anything we can give. Font color we can give. Font, these are attributes of font tag. Font color, size, font face, style, everything we can give. Here I gave font color equal to yellow, size equal to 7. Then now I'll type that content of that web page. Stay home, stay safe. Right? In between stay home and stay safe, I want to give some space. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe, stay strong. Right? In between I want to give some space also. That's why I give the break tag. Break tag used to give between space between lines. Right? If you want to space between stay home and stay safe, you want to give the break tag, BR. Okay. Here I purposely do one mistake. In second BR I didn't close the bracket. then you can't get the proper output. If you close the break properly, then you can get the proper output. Stay strong. Then now we want to close all the container tags. That is, body tag you should close, HTML tag you should close. Then we can save the program. Now go to file, click the file and select save. Now the save dialog box will open. You should choose the location of your file and type the file name. File name you should type the extension with .html. You should type the file name with extension .html. File name .html. Then click save. If you are not give that is default, it is text file. Notepad, no, it is default extension txt. You should change into extension .html. File name .html you should give. Then click save. The file save, you can see that the file is on the window. Now double click the file. You can see the output. Now we have some mistakes in break tag, right? Change that. Then if you want to modify that file, go and give the save as option. File save as option, right? If you want to modify the file, you can modify. Save and click that save as also you can use to modify. Now see that output. Stay home, stay safe, stay strong. Background green, red, font color yellow, right? In this way you want to type and get the output. You can try it in your system also at home, right? I hope all are understand this session well. Try this program at home. Thank you.